What is up, traders? Jimmy here with BPO's weekly market breakdown for the week of December 15th, 2019. Okay, so for those of you who do not know, BPO, we do this weekly market breakdown every single week. We don't go over all the pairs that we will be looking at in our private group, but we like to give out 3 to 5 very, very good setups to where traders can catch, and they'll be able to learn, not only learn, but they'll be able to earn while they learn. Okay, so the first pair that we are going to be looking at is gold. Okay, so what I would like to see happen here is gold push down just a little bit, because currently, right, price is at 175.21. I would like to see it push down closer to 1470 to 1468, and I will look for long positions up to 1491 to 1492. Okay, well, why are you saying that, Jimmy? Right, so just, you can see here another confirmation that you could have if you pull out your Fibonacci, right? 1490 is right up in there. Okay, so like I said, 1491 to 1492 will be our take profit. Okay, and that is with the Fibonacci, right? And going to the daily, so I want to show you all where I put my trend line so you can see, right? Wick to wick to wick, and then you have wick to wick. Okay, I'd like to see price come up, right? I'd like to see it come down just a little bit, go up to that 1490. If you saw on the Fibonacci, okay, we'll pull it out here on the 1 day. It'll be even easier to see. If you pull it out here, price perfectly, right? That would be off of our 61.8, off of our Fibonacci, and we would look to short from the 61.8. We'd look to buy up, and then we would look to short from the 61.8. Okay, we look to short from the 61.8 down, right, down to 1459 region. Okay, so that is what we are looking for on gold. Now switching over to USDJPY. Okay, so this is again on the daily time frame, so let's switch down to the 4-hour time frame here. If you realize, gold and USDJPY move intraverse of each other. So what I would like to see here, I would like to see price push up just a little bit in between, push up to about the 109.45 region, right? So you can see it's a region in here. I would like to see it push up to here, and then I would like to short it down to 109 even. Okay, after that, what I would like to see happen, okay, I would like to see a push back up to 109.9 or 110. Okay. So now moving on, we are going to switch over to EURUSD. So on EURUSD, as you can see, I actually already have Fibonacci out. I was actually already in this trade. I've shorted this up here from the 61.8. Okay, so I'm actually already in this trade. But what I would like to see happen, and for anyone that missed it, I would like to see it push up again just a little bit higher. Price is currently at 1.1118. Okay, I would like to see it push up 30 to 40 pips back up here, okay, around our 50%, a little bit over. And I'd like to see it in this region push up to 111.50, right, around 111.50 to 111.60. And then I would like to see it reject there and push down. Okay, like I said, I'm actually already in this trade. My TP1 is actually 110.50, so that's where I would look to take profit off of this short. The first one, I would look to take around 110.50, and if it continues from there, go ahead and open the TP to 110. Okay, so going to GBP USDJPY. So I went over this a lot with my private group already on what's going on with the GBP pairs and why there are these big spikes, right? It's because Boris Johnson basically won the conservative vote in the parliament election. Okay, but what I would like to see, and the reason I chose GBPJPY, is because I post what pairs y'all want to see for the week, and these are the pairs that were voted the most traded pairs that you guys want to see markups for. So if you guys want to see different pairs next week, make sure to follow at Big Pips Only on Instagram, and make sure you vote whenever we have the vote on Wednesdays. Okay, so if you can see here, right, you see all of our levels. You see what price is doing right now. Price is currently at 145,681. Okay, I would like to see price come down. I'd like to see it slow down around 145 to 144.8. So I'd actually like to see it come back down, 60 to 80 more pips, 60 to almost 90 more pips. Okay, 60 to 90 pips. I'd like to see it come down a little bit more, and then I will look for longs. Okay, I will look for long positions on this. I'm not going to tell you it's going to go directly up there, right? You'll have the basic market movements, right? You'll have pullbacks, you'll have retracements along the way, but I will be looking for longs off of the 145 region and even the 144.8. Okay, 144.8, 144.75. And my take profit for that, I will look to take profit around 149.35, and TP, the other TP will be 150. Okay, so if it goes through 149.35, I will keep that bitch open, and I promise you she will hit 150. Okay, and why is this, right? This is because Boris Johnson and the Conservatives won the election in Parliament, meaning that they can delay Brexit and all of these things for basically as long as they want, meaning that they'll be able to have a stronger GBP sterling. Okay, so if you guys and girls enjoyed this analysis, this weekly market breakdown, be sure to give the channel a like, a follow, give us a comment, shoot us a subscribe, and tune in to next week's video. And again, make sure you follow us at Big Pips Only on Instagram, and make sure you get your voice heard next Wednesday when we vote on the pairs that you want to see for next week's market breakdown. Everyone have a wonderful, wonderful week of trading, and have a good day.